What is up, you guys? And I'm back with another video. And if you watched the last video, you see we were in this clothes because we just took off our makeup and we're doing another video for you guys. What are we doing today, Lauren?
Well, first of all, you didn't even let me brush my hair before you started the camera, but you know that's okay. So we're gonna go ahead and do the reverse makeup challenge.
Reverse makeup challenge is what we're doing today. And what is it about?
So we're just gonna put our makeup on. We're gonna do it, just ignore that. We're gonna put it in reverse.
Putting it on backwards, basically. So everything you do last, you're gonna do it first. We're gonna see how this looks. I think it's gonna look all right. We gonna hope.
Well,
okay. So what I do first.
What you do last?
Yes, what I do last is I put on highlight.
You do?
Yeah.
Dang. It's gonna be ugly. Well, let me use yours because in the last video I used Trophy Wife and yeah, I'm not really feeling it like that. It's kinda, so she on the knees in hers. I'm gonna use a different brush because
Okay. There's the highlight, and then I spray my face.
let me see. This is Tarte. Did you say this was a good one? Oh, you can still see some of the what you call it on my cheek.
Spray my face.
Is it even showing up?
A little. All right, so I let my face dry a little.
Spraying.
Should we go at the same pace? Because I always finish before you.
I guess.
Okay.
Stop leaving me. Powder. Contour.
Yes, I do that.
Don't tell me. I know what I'm doing.
We should have wrote down what we do.
I can remember. This one is easy.
I bake. Right? I bake. Because I'd be like wiping off and then I do that.
She's right. What did I bake me last time? There you go.
We're gonna bake for a little bit.
I'm not baking.
Yeah, me neither.
I don't know.
I look so white.
So now you gotta take that away. I mean, mine is kind of like, it looks like I have no makeup. Concealer. It's gonna get nasty.
I do concealer first, so I do contour.
Or no,
I
you
do
contour.
No,
Yeah.
I always put foundation first. It's backwards, so I'll do this and then foundation. Cause I always do this one last.
Ooh, you right, but I'm saying.
But you're right though.
This is hard. Yeah, we should have wrote it down. We're stupid.
I looked at my list and I
don't
said,
have any listed, so
just use my Fenty.
I am. I was gonna say Fenty it is, but you ain't even had a chance. Girl,
no, I haven't put on foundation or primer. It's the first thing I do. No, you don't do that next. You do your eyes. Why are you grabbing your foundation? You ain't done.
I do all of this. I put on my plate.
I know that's what I do at least, because right now after I did this, I would set.
I'm having a brain fart.
You're right. So next would be my foundation. Next would be my foundation.
I knew it.
Are you gonna blend that out?
Oh, you know what? I didn't even see that.
You're right, you're right, you're right. So foundation.
I'm about to confuse myself. Yeah, I'm gonna look so brown because I have gotten so pale.
You know what? I'm just gonna pump.
Blended out my foundation. Now I put on my powder. I mean, my primer.
I look white. My eyes look naked. Okay. Next is
myself look better because now you put your primer on. No. No.
What do you do?
Remember, well, me, I already have my primer on. So I'm gonna do that after I do my eyes and stuff. Cause you know you put it on when you first start. I'm just gonna prime my face. I'm right.
Yeah, this is the first thing I do. This is the first thing. So next is eyelashes. Are we putting on lashes?
Oh, it is lashes.
We putting on lashes?
I don't even know where the ones I had are.
That's $10, ma'am. I need like a. Can you put them on me?
Huh?
Can you put them on me?
Okay.
Like a. Can you put them on me?
Huh?
Can you put them on me? Girl, because I be struggling.
Open your eyes. Nah.
I be trying to make sure my eyes ain't glued shut.
That's why I gotta get shorter now.
I feel like they're a little off. You see it? It's alright though. It's alright. Okay. So next is eyeshadow.
Words. You gotta put that front part on first.
Yeah. I do this one first. These eyelashes in the way.
You can't do nothing. Just be careful, because like you could get what you call it on it. I don't even know what I'm gonna say. Anyways. Wait, this is what I do, right? Or do I?
Oh, wait, I do that. When I do my eyebrows, I bring it, I go down, and then that's when I pack it on there. So I need to set it.
I need to set it.
No. Yeah, yes. I need to set it.
I don't like it. Let me see.
This is how I set my eyes.
I feel like I'm about to have a whole bunch of stuff on my face. What's the girl name for Frozen?
Oh, I still look alright.
Now.
Sorry, my mirror is like way too far from me. I have to get my leg up.
Well, at least our eyebrows can stay on.
My what?
Our eyebrows.
At least those will look good. Okay. It still looks alright, look.
Yeah. Now you gotta put concealer on.
I do my concealer after. Dang.
She said dang.
Cause I always I do my eyebrows, you know what I mean? I do that first. Shade it in.
Yeah.
But I can't, I gotta put concealer on. Still.
If we ever do this again, we're gonna write it down, because it's too much to think about stuff and have to figure out, well, what did I do? Like, I feel like my mind is playing tricks on me a little.
Exactly. You put on your gel after you shape them. You had to put it on now.
No, wait. No, it was right in my mind. You messing me up. Wait.
No, you put on gel when you're done, right? Not before.
Wait, okay, so I do my eyebrows. And then I shape them. And then I put on gel.
Yeah, so put it on gel. Okay. Okay, gel.
And my gel is brown, so
okay.
Now I'm gonna fill them in. Dang. And that's the first thing I do. Oh no, the primer.
And primer. Not gonna lie, it feels really cakey. Okay. know. Ooh.
Nasty. I'm gonna use my Pore Professional pore primer. I'm
going in with my Fenty. You know this is Rihanna's last name?
Yeah, Robin Fenty.
Okay. Oh, I'm scared.
And I only put my primer like on my cheeks and like my whatever it is.
Oh man.
I feel like I'm putting on BB cream. You just need to stop.
Okay.
I'm just gonna tap it in a little bit because
what kind of what I'm doing is blending it. I think I'm done. Yeah, you done, Lauren?
That's everything.
Okay, so I start off with primer.
And then we do our eyebrows, right? You start off with your eyebrows?
Yeah, and then I do eyebrows. And then I do eyeshadow and eyelashes.
Eyeshadow, eyelashes, and then I do my foundation. Sometimes, if I do foundation, but if I don't, it's concealer.
Yeah.
And then contour.
Oh, I do foundation and then concealer. So yeah, basically.
Yeah.
And contour.
Same.
And then set.
Bake. Contour some more.
Contour some more. Spray.
Highlight.
And highlight. And that's it.
Lips.
Yes.
And then
lips.
I do mascara sometimes last too.
On the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. Did you say lashes? Yeah, you did.
I did after I said eyeshadow. Well, you guys, that is the wrap up this video. Thumbs up, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, you guys, all right? Go subscribe.
Oh my god.
Anyways, subscribe, like, and comment. Anything you gotta say, Laura? Her hair looks nice though. This her hair.
Yeah.
Styled _
Styles STYLEZ _ 90210.
Megan Color God.
Yes.
I'm coming to you, girl, because I need some pink hair.
That's my sissy.
Okay, but I'll see you guys in the next video.